Hey, morning guys. Today I'm going to talk with Tony, who has expert on edge AI devices, who has also developed innovative battery management system.
And now we have Tony with me, and he is also running the journalism, and also he is quite good engineer for the battery. So I want him today to introduce us more the secrets of how he's coding or a program or something. Yeah. Could you show me your battery you are working on? The stuff. Oh, here,
yeah,
right.
Sure. I can show you a little bit about it. But yeah, so this is one of our new dev kits that we released recently. They're currently available on our website, and they are integratable with our platform, which allows for monitoring anywhere.
Maybe I can put it closer though.
And maybe so. It's we're still patenting a couple of aspects to it, so I can't show it too closely. But that allows for a lot more extensibility when it comes to this particular system. This design is really meant to be a power solution for a small robotics project or maybe an edge or OpenCV running security camera, something along those lines. The possibilities are endless, and that's the wonderful thing.
How much is the sales? Basically, how much their sales to?
This guy, we will charge $100 for it, and you can utilize our platform out of the box. We have a free tier for our platform that is open and accessible for folks to use. We have an enterprise and a pro edition as well. Just get in touch with our sales team if you're interested.
Who is your biggest competitor for this product? Do you have any existing competitors?
I would say that we have competitors who compete on point solutions, and honestly,
on point solution.
I would say that, like in terms of the battery management system, some of our, it's hard to even call them competitors.
Okay.
But some folks who I very much respect actually come out of China. JKBMS is probably
JKB. Okay.
JKBMS.
BMS. Okay.
JK Battery Management System.
Okay.
They utilize active balancing in a lot of their solutions, which are incredible because theoretically you can use mismatched batteries. They don't advise that, and I personally wouldn't advise it either. It's one of the few systems that will actually attempt to actively balance whatever batteries you throw into it, which I just find incredible. So I wouldn't call them a competitor, but I very much respect their technology. And kind of one of the great things about China's technology ecosystem is as soon as it exists, it's available on the market to really get on.
So basically, that means this one has no internet connection, does not need internet connection, does not need some other GPU here, right?
So that's the fun part about it. You can access, as you said, you can utilize all the Edge AI functionality that does exist on this chip without any network connection, which is great because you don't have to worry about the limits that would come with cloud solutions. Typically. In terms of actual,
this is few guy who respect China technology. Oh, quite good, man.
There's upsides and downsides to everything, right? Now, the wonderful thing about everything that I've shown you is that it is currently open source. The SDK is well as
secret ribbon here.
Yeah, exactly.
Can I show them?
Yeah, you can show them. I was actually being a bit facetious earlier. The great thing about the dev kit is that it utilizes open source hardware that currently, meaning that the integrability with our platform is what we're selling here. The capabilities of it include being able to monitor your batteries from anywhere, as well as edge AI capabilities, which allow for greater horizontal scalability than cloud-dependent AI solutions. And we believe that could be the future of AI ownership.
Wow. How about the monitoring part? It should be on the laptop. Can you show us as well? Great.
When you integrate your battery solutions.
Maybe I should bring closer. Oh, we should do another rerun because it's reflection.
The great part about the general platform is once you integrate your battery solutions in, you're able to monitor.
Okay.
Well, that battery that I was holding in my hand, we can monitor it from anywhere utilizing our platform. Currently, we can see that each of the cells is at 4.05 volts and at 22.5 degrees Celsius. And as I was mentioning,
can I show them a bit? This is stuff we're talking about. There's a battery inside. Yeah. And
not our proprietary PCB, thankfully. That was just a dev kit that we were using for R&D. Well, so the SDK that I was mentioning, it's actually currently available. It's just called the General Lithium SDK. The code is quite simple. We have an Arduino Nano here, and what you do is you plug in your Arduino, you flash this code, replacing organization ID.
Let me to explain to the audience. Yeah, so basically we insert this nano chip, this one, right?
That's correct.
And then we insert the code
That's
Tony's mentioned to us.
That is correct. So the way that you get your organization ID, which links your team to the platform, is you first go into the platform, you copy your UID from there, and then you replace the organization ID that is in here with your own UID, and then you initialize the SDK with your Wi-Fi information. This, and only this, allows you to automatically connect your dev kits with the platform, thus allowing you to monitor it from anywhere. That's honestly one of the biggest problems with the battery. It's just the difficulty of integrating with existing systems. We often find that there's dedicated teams for just building up the battery systems, which probably isn't the best use of resources, right? So, Call Victory is where I see them go. But I'd say in terms of competitors to our products, well, Zatara, I would say, is another company that I very much respect in the space. They utilize a lot of edge deployed systems to monitor batteries. I would say that they have challenges in the integration side of things, which frankly I think that we're gunning for directly with our SDK, which enables this self-service onboarding capability that frankly doesn't really exist in battery systems otherwise, particularly from the software as a service and platform service side of things.
So besides the robotics and the camera you mentioned, what kind of other applications or categories you think might or may need our this equipment or something?
I would say in healthcare. There are quite a few, yes, because the great part about Edge AI, and this is, I was going to mention something earlier about it, but it's much more secure as well in terms of data sanitization, egress, data egress perspective. On sheer principle, you don't have to send any information over the cloud, potentially to a service that you might not necessarily trust, or over a network that you might not necessarily trust.
I see.
So in a way, there's a bit of data sovereignty that is provided by that sort of design. The great part about it too is that because it's not network dependent, there's no reliability issue that exists.
I see. Okay, let's do it for now. So, by the way, so this one has memory inside, as you mentioned. There's could be some data collection.
That is correct. We don't personally have data collection as an aspect of this, other than the data that we're gathering to retrain our systems for battery management purposes. But we do offer the SDK as sort of a platform to build off of. We even offer the ability to send alerts to the platform and send commands to the batteries via the platform as part of the built-in functionality. A little bit more documentation is needed and coming on that matter.
All right.
The actual technology of the platform is available and open for anyone who wants to try it out, regardless of where they are.
Excellent. So you can drop me some message or email that I can provide you with SDK or the stack he mentioned to me. Yeah, definitely. Excellent.
I would say general-lithium.com will get you to our site, and that's where you can learn about everything else.
Okay, excellent. Catch up later, guys.
With the platform, which already exists, it has infrastructure built for it. Well, essentially all they really need.
Will you have some IP or patent for this one?
So this particular design actually needs a patent because this utilizes only off-the-shelf parts, and the capabilities are abstracted away. Like, I can show you everything here. All it really is just an Arduino with a voltage read pin and connections to the temperature sensor. That's really all that we got.